White Beach, Boracay, Philippines. Boracay, a dog's bone-shaped island 350 kilometers off the coast of Manila, is a honeymooner's paradise. This tiny island is home to 13 beautiful beaches, as well as breathtaking sites for cliff diving, kite surfing, preppy bars, zip lining, and parasailing. The island's major beach, White Beach, is the island's most popular attraction. The famous beach greets the ocean with powder-smooth sand and a plethora of restaurants and hotels to give you with every comfort and elegance. Most restaurant and shacks on White Beach have lounge chairs available for individuals looking to just increase their tan while relaxing in the sun, or get rejuvenating back massages while gazing at the beach. Not only that, but this is also where some of Boracay's best nightlife can be found. What more could one ask for than sweet, cool coconut water, breathtaking scenery, and delectable cuisine? Go cliff diving at Ariel's Point, tour the magnificent Boracay beaches, go scuba diving, go helmet diving, and have a massage. Those seeking the rush that comes with adventure sports will like the variety of water sports available here, including cliff diving at Ariel's Point, kite surfing at Bulabog Beach, sailing, snorkeling, diving, and jet skiing. Visitors visit here for a variety of reasons, including the beautiful nature, water sports, spas, and shopping. There are various hotels and restaurants near the beach, ranging from the most luxurious to the most economical. Many of the hotels have a fantastic view of the beachfront. The water is tranquil, making swimming and scuba diving enjoyable. Kite surfing or a cruise on the gorgeous Para sailboats are two options for adventurers. The 4-kilometer stretch, which is located on the island's western side, is shielded from the high winds that may be found elsewhere on the island and in the surrounding areas. It's busy virtually all year, yet it's never dirty. Boracay really lives up to its moniker of tropical paradise. Between November and April, when humidity and rainfall are at their lowest, is the best time to visit. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to get updates on new videos. We hope you liked it. The comment section is all yours. Do tell us your suggestions about next videos. Goodbye.